Hello everyone, today we will be discussing the key benefits of cryptocurrency. Decentralization. Cryptocurrency operates on a decentralized system, meaning it operates without the need for intermediaries, providing users with more control over their funds. Security. Cryptocurrency transactions are protected by advanced encryption techniques, making them difficult to hack or steal. Easy to use. With the rise of mobile wallets, users can easily buy, sell, and store their cryptocurrency with just a few taps on their smartphone. Borderless transactions. Cryptocurrency allows for borderless transactions, making it easier for people to conduct business and make payments, regardless of where they are located. In conclusion, cryptocurrency offers many benefits, including decentralization, security, ease of use, and borderless transactions. It is worth considering as a potential investment opportunity. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new about why cryptocurrency is good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.